Hey.
Bitch, I'm blue. Say it.
I want a little baby panda. Please.
I look like a mess. Hello, welcome back to my channel. What's up? How's everybody doing? I'm not doing fine in this video. I look disgusting and a mess. So dismiss that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, okay, bye. Renegade, bitch, renegade. Actually, I don't even know if that's how you do the renegade dance. Let me stop. I be on TikTok too much. And that's adequate. So I decided to do my base off camera, and of course I'm also baking because I'm trying to get no creases. But anyways, I'm doing that look because I didn't know what the hell I was gonna do for my makeup. So yeah, that's what I do when I'm trying to think of something. So yeah. So we're gonna take some blood sugar, or as the Spanish would say, sangre de azúcar. So yeah, I mixed the shades Prick and Tongue Pop for my eyeshadow. But yeah, anyways, you want to keep on blending until like your fingers want to fucking fall off and like die or whatever. But yeah, that's what I was doing. Then you want to get cherry soda and you want to darken that hoe up. So yeah, darken that crease. Next, we're gonna be taking glucose and we're gonna be taking that under the brow and blending it in with the other colors so it looks seamlessly blended in. Next, we're gonna be taking fresh meat. I wanted the red to be just a tad bit darker around the crease. Next, we're gonna be taking sugar cane and we're gonna be blending all the colors on the lid. And then we're gonna go back into glucose and lighten the lid area. Then we're gonna take Tongue Pop under the eye to give it some color, and we're gonna blend it out. So I did the other eye off camera and I also added the liner to it. So next I'm gonna be using that paintbrush with that white face paint that I got from Spirit Halloween. Carefully start drawing out snowflakes around the crease area. I drew about like 4 or 5 snowflakes on each side. So after I was done with that eye, I did the other one off camera and I put lashes on also. We're moving on to blush and I decided to use Prick because I wanted more of a red blush today, and I mainly put it on my nose also. And I also ended up putting more snowflakes on my cheeks. So I hurried up and did the rest of the snowflakes, and then I went into Blue Blood and I got that Cullen color, however you say it, eyeshadow, and I used it as highlighter. For lipstick, I used the mystery shade that he had in the mystery boxes. such a cutie. Can't even recognize her. Like, oh my god, such a queen, such a snow queen, like Elsa. Who, like, let me stop. But look, I almost dropped my earbud and shit from fucking playing around and shit. As always, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget that I love y'all, and thank you for 29 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.